Alright, I really need to clean up this spot, but we're gonna try old flat nasty on this spot here. Come down through some of these. This is quite a bit more gnarly. So pop down. There we go. Popped off one. Pick a better line here. Yeah, I'm really pleasantly surprised with how smooth this is. I mean, this is better than a high trail with crawl gears. I mean, it really is. Oh, look at that tire squish. Oh, yeah. Since we're not going to be able to turn around down in there, let's flip them around here and see what he does coming up. I mean, it's climbing over a lot of this stuff without much issue. I mean, the longer wheelbase, I think, actually helps it on that particular spot because it's all the way across the obstacle. I have no issue with that spot. But I think it's getting hung up on the toolbox or whatever it is there. There she's climbing up. I'm gonna back down because there is one spot that I want to try right over there and see how it does. But supposedly with this battery, you get like an hour of runtime. So let's just see how he does up in this spot. Back tire getting hung up in there, I'm pretty sure. It came up it anyway. Well, she's struggling. There we go. We got it. Let's try it again. Maybe let's come up that way first. There we go. Nope. I don't know. I mean, tackling some of this terrain is a bit for it, but it gets it eventually. It's a lot like a lot of the trucks that you're gonna see in real life, like if you watch Full-Size Invasion, this is, you know, par for the course as far as scale realism. Alright, hope you enjoyed this one.